let's roll. Hi, this is Brent Lindbergh from Neo, and today on Unboxed, I knew it. Hi, this is Brent Lindbergh from Neo, and today on Unpacked, we're going to be doing our first unboxing video. We're going to be looking at Tide's new e-commerce packaging. So, first things first, the poly bag itself is unmarked. I don't know, feels like a polyethylene, but for recycling or anything, there's nothing on it. I also can't tell if it's made out of recycled material. We have this unique orange case. The front of the box just says 96 loads, concentrated detergent, and then all of their warnings to not dump it in your eyes. And then lock. How do I lock? I have to learn how to read. Oh, I guess that's locked there. Just the pressure of the liquid kind of holds it out in place. Well, let's do the feet. So pull here to build stand. Some perfs there. And then these just insert tabs here. You see that? These just lock into those little slots there. Oh, isn't that pretty? Some nice added features on here. Let's try and actually dispense it. Shall we twist? It looks like it comes out the bottom side of the spigot there. Actually shut off pretty clean. Doesn't seem to be dripping. I'm not supposed to drink this, right? Smells. So what is this thing made out of? Roar. So it looks like just a thin poly bag. The fitment must have been snapped in after the fact. Here we go. Now we're breaking it. There we are. And then the bottom of the box, it's interesting here. You can see at the bottom of the box has a angled feature. Why not just tear the whole thing apart at this point? Part of the dye line is this ramped feature here to dispense this product towards the fitment so you get better evacuation out of it. This packaging was designed specifically for e-com. They announced this as their e-com packaging. It's SIOC, it means it ships in its own container and doesn't require additional packaging or protection. They're using how to recycle, which we are fans of here. The challenge with this is you're asking the consumer to disassemble this and flatten it, and it is not the easiest thing to flatten. And will a consumer actually go through that, or will they wind up just kind of throwing it away? Their sustainability claim is that they're using less plastic. It's not recyclable, but there's less material going into the landfill. They've made steps and they've made a move into this e-commerce space. And so there are some really cool features that they've designed into this thing. So stay tuned as we, let me try that one more. Stay tuned as we dive into more unboxing videos and kind of analysis of packaging in future videos.